Want to share Instagram Reels on Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through 2 easy steps to share Instagram Reels on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Go to Reels by tapping on the video icon at the bottom. Tap on the airplane icon of the post or reel that you want to share. Scroll the bottom menu to the left. Tap on Facebook. Now you can tap the post button and it will be posted. You can follow the same steps to share your own reels on Facebook as well. Another option can be tapping on the airplane icon. Tap on Add to Story. Then tap on the 3 dots at the top right. Then save the reel. Now open Facebook. Then go to What's on Your Mind. Select photo or video. Then select the video that you just downloaded. And now hit Post button. And that is how you share Instagram Reels on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.